excited to be here. This is a beautiful place. Look at the parrots. They put parrots hand drawn on these trees. Palm trees. Look at that. That's so cool. Hey, we made it. Embarkation Nation here. We made it to our room at Margaritaville Resort in South Padre Island. I'm gonna do a little quick tour here. This is our first time being in the resort, like staying. We've never stayed at the Margaritaville Resort, and that, you know, it just opened up, and we figured, hey, let's try it out. The first thing I love is how beachy it is. Like, it's very, like, the door, it's just very hard to explain. It doesn't even look like you're staying like at a hotel. It's like very beachy. It's cool. So let's start this tour. All right, so got the bathroom. I love just the island vibes. Just, you know, just the aesthetics, I guess you would call it. But like, you have a mirror here, you know, so you can check yourself. And you have this wonderful picture of a turtle, a sea turtle. And then you have the shower curtain. Even the shower curtain is like island vibes. Definitely like really cool. I really love this, like, this setup. You know what I mean? Like the setup of the shower. I'm gonna close this. That's really cool. It feels like you're staying at like a cottage. You know what I mean? Like a summer cottage. You got mirrors. Check me out. And you have these. Check out this ice bucket. That's so cool. Very like rustic. Very cool. And the Keurig. Down here you have the refrigerator. Oh, I didn't even notice this. If you notice on the cabinet, it has like a compass. I don't know if you can see it, but maybe you can. You might be able to. That's so cool. And then these pillows and the decoration. You have changes in latitude. That's so cool. That is so cool. Let's see. Beds feel really comfortable. And you have a lighthouse. Got a couple charging ports. TV, really nice TV, really nice size for the room. You got some drawers. Kind of got that beachy vibe with the rope settings. More decorative pictures. That's so cool. You got this little chair here, air conditioning. And then out here, look at this. We have a balcony. Can I get out? Let me see. Oh. Loud. Wow, look at this. Okay. There might be music playing in the background, so I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a view right here. Check that out, dude. Very nice. Wow. We'll check out more of the area in a few. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'll take a tour of the lobby and stuff too. They don't have room keys. It's this. This is your key to get into your room. You don't really see that often. I thought that was kind of cool. It's very cool. It's very cool in here. See the flip-flops? Those are cool. Sandal. Check out this sandal. Or a flip-flop. And then you have these. I guess you'd call it a chandelier. They look like margarita glasses. Yeah, this is the front. This is the entrance. Guest services right here. It's pretty cool. Hey, so we made it back from the pool. We're going to Landshark Bar and Grill. I had to switch cameras because the piece on my GoPro broke. So I'm gonna have to switch cameras. I'm glad I brought this camera. I like it. I'm enjoying it so far. Salt on the Rim. Really nice place to just chill out and have a good time. And there's like really good music playing, and the pool wasn't that cold when you went in. It was very nice. It was nice and warm. So far we love it. Definitely would come back.
So Andrew, how was the bar down at the pool?
It was good. I've had like 4 5 o'clock somewheres. There's like 2 different types of rum. I think one of them is Appleton. I almost fell off the bed.
It's been really good, guys. They even have like real coffee cups, guys. How cool is that?
And if you notice, they look like wine glasses. That's pretty awesome.